Next one, let's say factor 6x to the power of 2 plus x minus 12. Okay, those people who logged in online, I'd like you to participate and tell me if you know how to, in this case, factor this. Okay, here we're looking for, you can open two parentheses here right now. We're looking for two terms. When we multiply them together, we get 6x to the power of 2. Well, x and x give me x to the power of 2. For 6, what would be the possibilities that we can select here, anyone? It would be 1 and 6 and 2 and 3, right? Okay, so let's try 2 and 3. Now we're looking for two numbers. When we multiply them together, you would get 12. Okay, the possibilities for that would be like 1 and 12, and what else? Anyone? Two and what? 2 and 6. How about 3? 3 and what?
4.
3 and 4. So remember, when we multiply the two closest term and two furthest term, you want to get 1x. Okay. So if I select 3 here and 4 here, here I get 9x, and here I get 8x, and that gives me 1x if I have plus front of the 9 and minus front of the 8. So this is how you factor them. 2x plus 3 times 3x minus 4. Now, if I say how to solve this, then I have to make an equation out of this. If I say solve, this is a different problem. 6x squared plus x minus 12 equal to 0, then I have to factor like I did here. Let it be equal to 0. And then you let each parenthesis be equal to 0 and then solve for x. So here we get 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to negative 3, x equal to minus 3/2, or 3x minus 4 is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 4, x equal to 4/3. So this would be when it says solve, and this would be when it says factor. Please stop me if you don't follow any of these. Let's take a look at the next one. If I say factor 10x to the power of 2y plus 20yx minus, let's say, 240y. Okay, so in this case, we want to see if you have anything in common between these three terms. Can somebody tell me if I have anything in common between these three terms?
I.
You say 5?
Y.
Well, we do have a y in common. That's correct. Somebody says 2y. Well, yeah. What is the greatest common factor? 2 is a common factor. Yeah, 10. Yeah, 10 is the greatest one, right? 10 is in 10, 20, 240. 10 goes to all of them, right? So if I factor that out, then I would get x to the power of 2 plus, here I would get 2x minus 24. So now I factor this partially. Now to complete the factor here, I need to open two parentheses. For x squared, I get x and x. Here I'm looking for two numbers. When I multiply them together, I get 24. And at the same time, when I add them up, I get 2. Can somebody come up with those numbers? Can somebody put 4 and 6? Yeah, 4 and 6. That's correct. And remember, when you multiply the two closest terms, you get 4x, and two furthest terms, you get 6x. And that would give me plus 2 if if 6 were positive and 4 is negative. So here we put -4 plus 6, and that's how you factor this completely.